What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show DUI lawyers how to do local 3-pack SEO for their business. In this video, I'm going to break it down to 5 simple steps. If you want to rank in the Google 3-pack and you're a DUI attorney, watch this. Thank you very much for watching the video. I always say the best videos are the ones where you're able to implement what you just watched. So my goal at the end of this video is to give you 5 things that you could do tomorrow morning and will help you rank in the Google 3-pack. So these are the 5 things that you should do right away. So my first tip is to get automated rank tracking software, which is grid software, meaning that if you do a search from your home for your business, for example, local DUI lawyers near me, and then you drive to the local, Dunkin' Donuts, or Starbucks, which is, 2 miles away, and you do a search there, your rankings will change. So what this grid software does is it shows you where you're ranking within a 3 or 5 mile radius, at least to start. So I recommend getting Local Falcon. It's very easy to set up. However, you can also get Local Viking, and that's a real good one as well. I just prefer Local Falcon because it's easier to use, and it may be easier for you. So if you've hired an SEO or you're doing your own SEO, you can't create a plan and see where you're going if you don't know where you are right now. So number 1 is you need a grid software. It's super easy to set up. Get the grid software so you could create a plan to turn these orange and reds all into greens. So number 2 is I would get the free Chrome extension called GMB Everywhere. GMB Everywhere allows you to see your competition's Google My Business categories. So if you're trying to rank for the keyword DUI lawyer or DUI lawyer near me, the GMB category that you need to have in your Google My Business and on your website is criminal justice attorney. If you notice, every person who's ranking in the Google 3-pack has criminal justice attorney as their Google My Business category. It's their first category. So if you're trying to rank for DUI lawyer and your first category, for example, is trial lawyer or law firm or legal services, there's a good chance you probably will not rank in the 3-pack for using that Google My Business category. So get the Chrome extension, GMB Everywhere. It's very simple. Just follow the instructions to install. It's basically just 1 or 2 clicks, and then you'll be able to spy on your competitors, and you'll be able to see what GMB categories they're using. All right, guys, so another great free Chrome extension is one that I just found called Text Optimizer. Just go to the website textoptimizer.com and just download this free Chrome extension. Let me show you why it is so good. So you're trying to rank, for example, this website, right? And you press Text Optimizer. What it will do is it'll show you all the keywords. It'll show you your score and all the keywords that you should add to these pages. You see that? You see that? So these are all the keywords that you should add to this page if you're trying to rank it for a specific keyword. Now, these are all what's called your H tags, and I love this H tag. It's the GMB category, which is criminal defense attorneys in Tampa, Florida. All the H tags. So what I would change, this is another H tag. All your bold tags are your H tags. So instead of innovative cases, innovative defenses, win cases, I would put something once again about criminal justice attorneys in Tampa, Florida, right? Once again, same thing here. Finding the right attorney in Tampa, Florida. Perfect, right? So I would use some of these keywords and I would spruce up and add more H tags. H tags are basically, this is what the article below is all about, okay? So you want to throw in these keywords that Text Optimizer gives you. You want to throw them, you want to sprinkle them into your article as well as your H tags. Very, very important. You also want to come back up here and you want to go over your title tag. So for example, attorneys for criminal defense, DUI in Tampa, call. Perfect. Beautiful H tags. It's the reason why they're ranking so high. So 80% of ranking in the Google 3-pack is your on-page optimization. So it's very important to have good on-page optimization, and this tool, Text Optimizer, will help you with that. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed at this point, please hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the content. All right, so number 4 is if you're trying to rank for DUI lawyer or any keyword in your industry, you need reviews. You need reviews to do at least 2 of these things. 1, you need the person to use the keyword like DUI lawyer or DUI attorney, and you need them to use the area like East Tampa or Tampa Bay or Old Seminole Heights. You know, they have to use the area. Those 2 things. They need to use the keyword and the area. So when you have a client who is going to give you a 5-star review, you have to ask them to please do those 2 things, to use the keyword that you're trying to rank in or that they used your service for, and have them use the area. They could write really anything else, but have them do those 2 things. Okay guys, so the last one's a kind of sneaky trick, but Google weighs this very, very heavily. It's called click-through. So for example, if somebody types in DUI lawyer, scrolls down, hits more businesses, and scrolls down to your business called Mark A. Joseph, right? And goes to your GMB, and then, for example, makes the phone call, and then X's out of the search. What this shows Google is that Google did its job. It showed you the best result for your search. Now, Google tracks what we just did. We searched for DUI lawyer. We scrolled down until we found a lawyer that we wanted to use. Now, I am almost positive that this lawyer, Mark A. Joseph, probably doesn't get more than 1 or 2 clicks per week, right? So don't have your friends do this search and do 5 per week or 10 per week. Just do 1 or 2 per week. Ask a friend or do it on your cell phone, and then the next time do it on your desktop. Next time log into a Wi-Fi at a Dunkin' Donuts or a Starbucks or something like that. Get on their Wi-Fi and do a search. Type in DUI lawyer. Scroll down to your listing. Click it. And then click the phone number to call. Or click, right here, I'm sorry. Click right here to call. On your cell phone, it'll just be a call button. And you just call. And do it 1 or 2, maybe 3 times per week. That's it. That's it. And you're going to notice your rankings come up. That's called click-through rate, CTR. And there's a whole bunch of courses, a bunch of guys, Mike Merlino and Brent Browser do fabulous SEOs. They're great at that type of stuff. So that's their specialty. But on a lower level, that's what you want to do. You want to have people go do a search, find your business, click it, and then perform an action like a call or go to the website or directions. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If there's something that I could do to help you, please feel free, reach out. Be good to your family, kiss your wife, kiss your kids. Always help out around the house, and we will catch you tomorrow. Thank you, guys.